is coming in. Coaches looking for ceiling, looking for rebounding strength. Coach Pat Aquino in his head coaching debut.
Yeah.
There's an outside shot. He will put the pass to Manatira. Blackwater, another rebound. He's going to attempt here to Blackwater.
Kevin Ferrer, Renato Jr. is not going to take it from there. Gives it up to Boboy. Here's Bobotin. Lots of ball movement right now. Basta wala si ball dyan. The movement of the ball for TNT is much better. And Boboy hits a three. That's 5 straight points for RR Boboy. The lead is up to 8. Inside. Oh, wow.
Nice pass.
Easy pickings. Just a powerful man inside with size and heft.
Sliding towards the hoop. Galinato getting the pass from Boboy.
Quarter, siniguro ni Coach Pat Aquino tingnan ang positives in the latest huddle. Ika nga niya, the good thing is we got 10 free throws, so that means we are attacking. Moving forward, we would like to see more of the bossing going hard to the basket. Huwag daw silang matatakot umatake. They just also need to balance it out by making better reads on rotations. Back to you.
Thanks a lot, Eileen. That's a miss from Manilin, but they keep it alive. Panopio goes to Tracker. 8.5 remaining in the first half.
There's 1-1 for Tracker.
Pero na, more sneaky na sila bata. They beat pass to Nava.
They thought
Nava, Pupuntin! Was off target, but then they keep it anyway. Goes to the corner. Nava takes the three. Drives it closer. Pupuntin upstairs. Galinato not going to take it from there. Nambata will.
that will be a 3.
Yes, it is. Look at that ball movement there. Not to say that they're not a good team with ball on the floor. We just say that there's so much more ball movement. Pag wala yung important.
Kasi marami silang options.
Yeah.
And they were patient moving that ball around. Yan ang TNT system.
Right.
Moving the ball around to get the best possible shot and the assist.
Oh, board from David.
So Boyan shot.
This guy just hit a three, so they're checking it right now. And the Batak's another guy to get a crazy streaks. That's a miss. Fairfield naman, patungong kabila. Siya naman ng TNT.
At tumatakbo ngayon ng Blackwater.
Yeah, but then the defense of TNT is there already.
Bilis.
Oo. Obviously, na-anticipate na tatakbuhan sila.
There's wide open space underneath, but no one's slashing. Someone's got to cut. Ito na si Tracker.
Powers up. Offensive foul. Using the elbow, says referee Dave Maligaya. The Tracker can't believe it. Pat Aquino, not too happy with what's going on right now. But of course, nakakapapa. Ito si Coach Pat. Mendoza, Zamar coming in. It's a change in the backcourt.
Now Coach Patapino going with Zama to replace Fairfield.
Here's Nambata. Ball is back in the game, but Nambata will try to get a bump.
Have a foul. Given up by Blackwater. Pupunta naman sa linya ng TNT.
This time it's going to be Nambata. Well, Ball obviously has a little bit more stamina than Robert Upshaw, the third.
Upshaw on the bench with 3 personal fouls.
Free throw is good for Nambata. Another one coming up. Ball says kayo na bahala dyan. Mukhang papasok naman ulit dyan. So bababa na ako sa kabila. Pag-depensa.
Bata already got a 3-point shot in this game.
That's a miss though. From Hayes. So lots of splits from the line we've seen in this game. Troy Malilin goes to Morrell who will drive. Tapos pag Pinoy step sana na, hindi naman kumagat si Ball. Jen Mendoza, bitin ng 3. Nasa ilalim si Christian David. From the put back in, the foul as well. A bonus free throw coming up for the former Butler Bulldog.
That's something that we mentioned that TNT has to improve. Blocking out for the second chance points ng kalaban. Si Christian David picking up the ball, going up for the shot, and completing the 3-point play.
Seven points ang lamang ng TNT. Nice nilang dagdagan niya bago matapos itong first half. There's still 6:33 to go. They got a bowl. Murrell is against it. There's that hang. And when he hangs in the air, as you said, he sits for a while with a bit of a pump. There's a tendency to hit the forearm or the elbow. And that's exactly what happened there. David Murrell is a pretty good defender, but just too small. Yun na nga lang inabot niya. It's the elbow of Bol.
Tinutama ni Paul, yung kanyang defender. Because of that hand-time move and that pump movement before he released. So, by the way, that's his first miss from the free throw line.
10
Came out of
11.
11. Just to recap kung anong history ni Paul for all of PBA fans who are watching. This guy, his father was a 10-year pro in the NBA, si Manu Paul, played for 4 teams. And he played them for 3 teams in 6 NBA seasons. But you know what? He earned $10.5 million in the NBA. His father only $5.9 million.
Doubled up. Of course, there's inflation and all of that. But there's a shot from Murrell. Nakabawi agad. At sa kanyang foul, +1 pa siya. Nava, a bit of a shot. And created the space and hit the basket. Even Nava, first 2 points na yan.
That's an aggressive move by Napa.
That's an aggressive move by Malilit, but if it results in nothing, labas yung bola on that bump, it's gonna stay with Blackwater. Baseline in concert ang gagawa niya si Troy. Mapakuna. Kasi may bumagsak na player. Gotta clean up those slick spots.
Cedric Barefield is checking back in.
In and out si Barefield.
Pinagpapalit-palit ni Coach Patsy Barefield with Zapar. And obviously to give instructions to Barefield from the coaching end.
Here's Cedric. Turns against Nava. Jumper is an air ball. And then they trust Bol to bring up the basketball. And there he is again.
Who can stop it? On that move, here's Corell. That's a way off.
And an easy rebound for the big man.
Those long arms of BMP getting the defensive rebound. Here it comes again.
Oh, he fouled them back underneath. Probably should have taken the shot. The foul was called. And Murrell really doesn't know what to do anymore. He's trying his darndest. Pero ito, ayun, dinaanan siya. Dinaktak na lang.
And the way he elevates with that one-handed slam dunk, nobody's there to stop him. And he's got that graceful move towards the hoop.
Crowd.
PMP. Ball, Manu, ball.
Timeout brought to us by Soler Online. Play the game your way on Soler Online Sportsbook.
This program is brought to you by Arena Plus, official partner of the PBA.
The best players succeed because they set boundaries. Every great athlete wins with control. Always have a game plan.
Ang kasangga ng mga balitang dapat mong malaman gabi-gabi.
Balik ka ng diskusyon para sa pagsubok ng matalinong opinion. Ako po si Mayan Masbayo.
Frontline tonight, dito lang sa RPTV para sa Pinoy.
Every day you can take your winning bet with the action right here in your hand. Play the game your way.
Because si Bol really pumps up the crowd with his moves. Nice dunk. Kanina, o sa May 1, Labor Day, libreng ticket para sa lahat ng magagawang Pilipino. Biyernes po yan sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. First come, first serve yan. So, get there right away. Get your tickets for free to watch the PBA games. I know it's a good doubleheader on that day. Not exactly sure. Can't recall right now, but I saw the game schedule on that day. They're both good ones. David Nava with a layup. So, mid-range changes that. May layup din si Evan Nava coming off of that timeout. It's a 12-point lead, biggest of the game so far.
At nakikilan natin dito, no, yung mga locals ng PNP. Hold it, hold it. They're looking to score. They're relieving the pressure off ball. There's going to be a foul.
Yeah, had his two hands on the back of Robert Upshaw III. Doesn't think it's a foul. There's referee Traballo explaining to Coach John what the transgression was.
You know, which is Galinato who's defending Upshaw and not Cole.
And look at the wrestling going on between Upshaw and Galinato.
And they're going to call an
Oh, they're
offensive
going to
foul.
foul on Upshaw. That's his fourth. And
They're asking for a review.
they can use their challenge. Yeah, and that's exactly what they do. And it's Mr. C himself who is gesturing for the challenge.
So you need to challenge that because that is the fourth personal foul ni Upshaw. Nakakuha siya ng bola, tapos he was double teamed and he was surrounded by the TNT defenders.
We were actually looking at the action as it was happening, Dean. That was actually the action that happened there could have merited a double foul. Kasi pareho silang nag-wrestling. That's exactly how the Cobuntin Jalen Johnson thing started. Watch it, yeah. Ganyan yung Jalen Johnson Cobuntin, yeah. Oh, it was that elbow, like a chicken wing that he shoved Galinato out of the way, and that's what referee Traballo saw. But let's see what the final verdict will be.
Upshaw looking like Andre the Giant.
Yeah.
He's saying that he was just trying to get position to grab the ball, but his movement was
I'd like to see that again. Though. We could show that again. But
Yeah.
it was really, I think, that chicken wing which did him in sa play na yun.
Upshaw is saying, look at the replay. Actually, his movement was hampered by Kabultin. So that foul, I think, might have been on Kabultin on the first instance. But, that's just another point of
Here's
view.
a play na yun, si Galinato.
Oh, was it Galinato na Kabultin? Okay.
So ito nga, tagal-tagal na naman ang ating review.
Remember, if this call sticks, ang apat na personal foul na yan, ni Robert the Barrel Upshaw,
Yeah, that's gonna put Coach Pat Aquino in a quandary. Yeah, for sure. Because they already sat it down for an extended period dahil sa 3 fouls. Kung apat yan, di ba sila na tatagalan kasi mag-report into that second half.
it's already a 12-point lead by TNT. And Backwater CEO and team owner, Griselda C, also reacted to that call. Ito na yung pasya.
After the review, the call is overturned. Hawak-hawak muna ni Galinato si Upshaw. Therefore, the challenge made by Blackwater is successful.
Successful as well.
Yun ang sinabi ko kanina, on the first instance, his mobility was hampered by Galinato. I thought it was Kubuntin. I checked myself. And so the successful challenge by Blackwater, both coaches now have successful
Tama.
challenges.
So we have 2 more challenges remaining in this game. The challenges are intact. But so, okay rin yung mga referee natin din na napag-aralan nila yung sitwasyon. Nauna pala si Galinato na parang bumawi lang si Upshaw para makawala dun sa hawak ni Galinato.
So yung tawag is the first instance of contact. So, okay. Na-spare doon si Upshaw
Yeah.
from his fourth personal foul. And
But then they throw it away anyway. They get it back. Mendoza to Upshaw. Almost will start. Yeah. I thought mabibida ng kanyang dunk, but then threw it up. He just laid it in. So maganda naging resulta doon para sa Blackwater. Lead is back down to 10. Bone wants it. And he gets it. Balik kay Avon.
ball looking to get the pass back.
And why is Mendoza? Walang switch back eh. Si Mendoza, tagal binabantayan sa ball. If you're Blackwater, you gotta try to switch back right away.
Well, you need a small guy to bubble in, but you also need a primary defender on top of the ball, and he gets 2 more free throws.
Back at the line, he's been there a lot in this game. And he's been putting him in. That's 11 free throws already para sa kanya.
12 out of 13.
Well, 12 out of 13 rather.
Isa lang ang nagpiss niya. So he's doing exceptionally well from the line. But before this game, Ball was hitting 54.6% from the stripe. Here we go again.
You know,
And he makes it Once more.
A friend of mine messaged me and said, anak ko talaga di manutbol yan. Sabi ko, well, sa itsura,
Yes.
sa laro kasi iba. Pero yung sa itsura, pwede.
And 10 children from 2 wives. So see, Paul Manugo was from the second wife, and that's another 4-point shot coming from the barrel upshot, and then he flies away.
Yep, he got the angel wings.
The angel wings coming from upshot.
He's been doing that from his debut. Dito sa PBA against Pagolan, nanalo sila. Kaya naman natuwa yung mga fans natin doon sa game na yun. Pass inside, Nava too small though. And we'll see Upshaw back to the cutter. Will not. And you know, Bearfield is looking at referee Baligaya and saying, how did you see? If I hit him, you're on the right side. I was on the left side. And I feel Bearfield on that play, but you know, the ball has been made. Watch this. That's the 4. Dalawa na. Kanyang 4 sa game na ito. And puntos na ba ito si Upshaw? The third. I think 14, if I remember.
That's 14 points.
Yeah, Pogoy back in the game. As Nava 6, and he gets high fives and low fives because he did play well, scored a couple of baskets. Even Nava getting a second chance.
Contact making sure, adding to the free throw total ng TNT. Sa dami ng mga free throws na binibigay ng Blackwater, TNT shooting 70% of the line. Anticipate nila natin yung pasa. They wanted to feed the ball
You can pass it higher.
inside.
You can pass it higher to Upshaw, 7 feet.
Upshaw now defending ball. That's a risky proposition.
Yeah. So Tabata probably should have given it the ball just to force a fourth foul. Tapigan ng bola. Pabuntit last touch.
That's going to go Blackwater's way. Lead is still 10.
It's only 3:24 remaining in the first half.
Blackwater sliced it down to 6. Lead is still 10 now for TNT.
TNT's been ahead for most of this first half. Lumang lang isang beses sa 11 kanya ng Blackwater. Christian David, pupunta kay Upshaw.
That's a foul for
Yeah, it's a foul from Galinato Jr.
A little late call, but at least it was called. There was contact.
Watch this. Ayun na naman, nag-resting naman sila.
That has to be a foul.
It's a tough job though for guys like Galinato. And when we are facing all these 6'10" and above imports in this conference, all these frontliners, ang liliit nila talaga kumpara. You know, guys like Kali Lane and then James Dickey, and then now you have Chapman from Magnolia. They're all just so much smaller than you are.
A lot of 7-footers.
Here they go. Oh, he tried, but he got blocked by Ball. Another shot knocked without the
Incredible block shot coming from ball against Upshot.
But look at that power move. Got it down.
That's one
Two
against
answer to the basket. There is some grace. It's ballet. It's like a ballet.
That's like a layup para sa kanya when he comes charging in. 21 points for BNB.
Fairfield crossing over. Will take it over off down again. But that one is good. But it's just a long two. Nakatapak sa linya. Huling-huli ni referee Maligaya. 12 pa rin naman ng TNT. 2 minuto. At pareha na lang natitira sa ating first half.
Galinato doing an excellent job here on both ends of the floor.
He'll take it over Upshaw.
Here's Russell.
Mapapaisip ka rin eh. There's a 7-footer standing in front of you. You can't take it just... Hindi pa relax. That's tipped away from Bearfield.
Will they call a foul? Will they call a turnover?
Yeah, it's a
It's
turnover.
a turnover.
Bearfield is upset. At the baseline, he's complaining. Felt he was bumped on that play. But the ball's going to be with DMD with 1:45 to go in the first half. The timeout is brought to us by Soler Online. Play the game your way at Soler Online Sportsbook.
This program is brought to you by Soler Online Sportsbook. Tara sa masayang tanghalian kasama ang kabarkad sa Bulaga dito sa RP sa Pinoy. This program is brought to you by Soler Online Sportsbook.
Every day you can make a winning bet with the action right here in your hand. Play the game your way.
There's going to be a blood donation for the 6th year partnership with the Philippine Red Cross and of course Smart Araneta. May 3 po yan sa Smart Araneta. Pag mag-donate kayo ng dugo, may free ticket kayo para manood ng mga laban natin. So register now until April 30. Scan the code right on your screens.
Well, so far in this game, Blackwater, believe it or not, is out-rebounding TNT. 45 to 20. Sinasabi natin, an area that Coach Rodriguez wants TNT to work on is their rebounding. Blackwater with 7 offensive rebounds against only 1 for TNT. That's because TNT is shooting so much better over the floor.
Bobo is just a scorer, one of the best for many years already in the league.
And his rediscovered his rhythm. By the way, 25 free throws attempted by TNT and only 11 for Blackwater.
First half pa lang yan, team. 25 attempts.
18 to 8 advantage in terms of free throw mix at TNT.
Upshaw again from 4. Oh, he stepped out of bounds. Bumuelo siya, tapak sa labas.
Again,
Ups.
what can you do? That was big feet.
Yeah, I'd say at least 16, 18 maybe. Sa opposite. Nambata gives it up. Bobo. Balik kay Ray. 4 yan. Tumator. Back down. Tumagal na the fighting for it, but could not control it out of bounds. Blackwater ball, 48 seconds to go. They can close this gap. But it is a 14-point spread at the moment.
A tremendous ferocity being shown by Galinato. And you see, I'm sure, nilalamanin niya for rebounds. I'm sure, kung sinasabi natin kanina pag Blackwater out-rebounding TNT, that's something that Coach Rodriguez must be reminding his players. Gotta fight for those rebounds.
Upshaw so far from the basket. He's most effective at the post. He doesn't hold. He's been stymied. They go to the grid, not there, and there you go. That's what we need. As Ball picks himself up after taking a spill. Peto at TNT. Last shot time, 12-point lead. Don't need to add on to that before we take a break. Here's Henry. Napunta kay Ray.
And you notice that Paul is not posting up, so he leaves the floor wide open for an attack. He passes to the button, who's going to
Oh, and then a foul.
That's 2 free throws coming up.
Tama ba? Di ba? 4 fouls pa lang.
Check.
Ayun pa lang. Oh, ayun pa lang. So, parang naging good foul pa.
Point 9 of a second to go.
Fairfield will hoist. With that foul, the TNT will double up. 26 in the first quarter, 52 at the half. And Blackwater only manages 19 points in the second. That's a 12-point TNT lead. Here at United Center. We'll come back to some halftime analysis. In a bit.
Dalawang taon na tayo, kapatid. Akalain mo yun? Marami-rami na rin tayong napagdaanan, pero wala pa rin iwanan.